First shift tonight?
Yeah.
You know, it's a funny thing about tonight.
Oh?
10 years ago today, my very first shift, Mr. McCloud, the welding instructor, dies. Yeah. It was the damnedest thing. See, a group of students decided it'd be kind of funny to pull a prank on him. A welding prank. Goes wrong. And as he burned alive, he shook his fist at the sky and he swore in 10 years' time he'd be back. With bloody vengeance on us all. I mean, killing everybody in the college.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Of course, you know, like they say, it's just a ghost story. It's a ghost story that hits particularly close to home and could actually be true.
Yeah.
Boo! All right. Come on. I will show you where to go to watch the actresses undress. Yeah?
Excited?
Yeah, Trey hasn't taken me out in ages.
Where are we gonna meet him?
The shop.
Surprise, surprise. Come on, we need to get going.
I told Trey we'd be there by 11 and he'd be ready for then.
Yeah, right. We'll be ready. Becky, shut up.
Now, these classrooms here, you gotta check them every night, lock them up, check them every hour. I mean, because, well. Also, right ahead, lobby. Plenty of doors there leading to the outside. You want to check those, because you usually forget to lock up one of them. When we do, let me tell you, security heads get pissed. And they come down, man, and before you know it, it's all just a big mess. So lock the doors.
Something wrong?
No. I just gotta take a piss. So, you go on ahead. I'll see you there.
All right.
Okay. Mr. McCloud. I can't say I'm surprised. There's no point in running, is there?
That sounds great, Vanessa. Hey!
Hey guys.
Are you ready to go dancing?
Almost. I just need to finish this coat and then do some shading.
You said you'd be ready by 11.
Look, I need to get this finished. Ian's been riding my ass all week.
Trey, I'm getting tired of you always treating me like this.
Treating you like what?
Becky, why don't you go take Alex and show her your new eyeliner? What? Just go, please. Trey, it's Alex's birthday.
Look, the show is going to fail if I don't get this prop finished.
You said you'd be ready by now.
Can you stop yabbering on for once? I'm trying to work.
Trey, don't be such a douchebag. It's Alex's birthday.
Idaho. Where are you guys off to looking all fancy schmancy? Okay. I don't want anyone to panic. Yeah. No one panic. Okay. All right.
Okay, maybe we should call somebody.
Yes, yes. All of you, come with me to the round desk, and I'll call for help.
Are you okay?
What about Trey?
I don't know how important this is. This needs to get done for the show. They think they can come in here and just tell me what to... Oh, shit!
This is bullshit. We need to get the hell out of here.
He said we have to stay here till things get sorted out.
I'm not gonna sit around and wait as there's a fucking murderer walking around the college. Should we be in a fucking lockdown or something?
I don't know. It's my first day. Hello? Hello?
Fuck this.
Okay, you go get her. I'll go get our cell phones.
What the fuck is wrong with these doors? They're locked or something. What the fuck? Trey? Trey? Trey?
The doors are welded shut.
What? Okay. Everything will be okay. I think what we should...
Vanessa.
What do we do now?
I don't know.
Run!
The lobby. The lobby. This is the key for it. Let's go there.
I was just standing here waiting and she came crashing through the window.
And you didn't see anybody or anything else?
No, nobody. Just her.
All right. And can I get your name, please, sir?
Thomas McCloud.
McCloud. Thank you and have a great night, sir.